Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the indie game filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see atmosphere. Go there. Okay, here slide up. There are lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it, wait for it, you will see the warning, and after a few seconds you will get the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for pixel filter. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use this effect. Likewise. Okay, and you are not getting this effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Tap on it. You need to open it with TikTok. So in this page, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen or tap on open app. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this indie game filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.